how to log into your 3 mobile account on your new device. So first of all, make sure that you are logged out of your 3 mobile account on your old device. Then on your new device, make sure to install the application. Then you can simply open it. So after opening the application here, make sure to remember all of the credentials of your account, right? So in here, like I said, first of all, you need to enter your number of your 3 number. So all you need to do is simply enter that number and then simply tap on enter. So after tapping on enter, you will actually get into the further process of adding down the password of your account. Then you can simply add in the password, or you can also automatically be verified if you were on your old phone. So since you're on your new phone, there might be some sort of verification requirements. Simply do all of that, and just like that, you will actually be able to log into your 3 mobile account on your new device. So yeah, that is all you need to do. If you need further help, you can simply tap on the option need help right here and go along with the all of the things on how you'll be able to solve your exact problem. And yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.